We have seen this Bitcoin setup before, and that was the start of a major rally towards the upside. Is this retest the igniting point for the Bitcoin bottom, and will we see a relief rally from of this point, or will Bitcoin drop further towards the downside to see another leg towards the lower prices? Bitcoin is still compressing and the breakout is getting closer and closer. With that, trading setups are forming, and in this video I'm gonna deep dive into every single detail about those trading setups. But first of all, I would really appreciate you guys to follow me over on X, and most importantly, to subscribe over on my YouTube channel and like this daily update video if you love those updates. And let's dive right away into the content for now, because this Bitcoin chart is really exciting. Why? What we can see here on Bitcoin is that we have been perfectly creating ranges over the last few years. What we have been doing is we have been creating a range from of this point towards the start of this major rally in 2020. Right here, we saw a perfect retest of the breakout towards the old resistance level to flip it back into support to start the next rally towards the upside. What we have been seeing right over here was a breakthrough. That is exactly what we have been seeing right over here too. Bitcoin created resistance on the top side and broke out of this resistance. And what we have been seeing right over here was a retest from off resistance back into the old resistance to flip it into support, and the Bitcoin price started to rally towards the upside. We can also say that that is happening right now. Bitcoin is flipping resistance back into support, and the rallies we have been seeing from of this swap were really big rallies towards either the upside or towards the downside. If Bitcoin can manage to find support between the $66,000 and $54,000, that could be the bottom for Bitcoin, and we can see a relief rally getting started towards the upside and see new higher prices getting created for Bitcoin. If we manage to drop further below this level, we will probably see a rejection once again, and we can see this as a fake out, and the next leg will start towards the downside for Bitcoin too. And the momentum will kick in the market within this week. We have been compressing the Bitcoin price for over the last few weeks, and right now we are closer and closer towards a breakout. And if we see a breakout happening anytime soon here, volume and momentum will get kicked in the market and Bitcoin will move pretty heavily. For now, we're not breaking out, but it's a matter of time for the Bitcoin price to break out towards either the upside or towards the downside. So please keep an eye on this chart as well. If something unfolds in this chart, I will keep you posted over on my X page. So please make sure to follow me over there. And the most beautiful part is if we break out from of this compression and we will see a clear breakout, the next trading setups are already forming, because Bitcoin is ranging between those ranges for over the past few weeks. Right now, we are getting closer towards the lower side of the range. Like I said yesterday, if we drop towards the downside and we will swap the structure towards the upside, I am planning to long the lower side of this range towards the top side once again, and the trade would probably look something like this with a clear stop loss here. It is really important to know that we need to see a break of structure towards the upside. Why? It is pretty dangerous because the liquidity is sticking below and above us. It is a really big chance that if we don't see a break of structure ending up towards the upside, that we will take out the liquidity below and you won't be able to get in your trade anymore because you got stopped out. First, I want to see a liquidity grab and then a break of structure towards the upside, or of course an immediate break towards the upside and get momentum, buy momentum in the market to trade it towards the upside. That is exactly what I am planning to do. On the top side, it is the exact same thing, but then the opposite direction. For now, it is just the time to wait and not do anything in the market, have patience, and that is really important as a trader. So for now, nothing is really happening. I'm waiting for the next move and the next entry. And if that happens, if it's unfolding in the market, I will keep you posted over on my X page. And of course, in those daily update videos I record every single day. So please make sure to subscribe over on my YouTube channel as well. And most importantly, please make sure to join my free community with the first link in the description here. You will be notified about every single detail in the market and every single trading setup that is unfolding. And from the last few months, we have been outperforming the market massively with some really big short position and also some really big long position. And everyone who is in the community has been printing in the last few months, even when the Bitcoin price and the crypto price dropped further towards the upside. Most importantly is to trade those moves on your safe and trusted exchanges. Please make sure to sign up on Maxi if you want to trade crypto with the link in the description. And if you want to trade not only crypto but even more, please make sure to sign up on Simple FX through the link in the description. Right now, Bitcoin is just going sideways and we can trade Bitcoin. And with Simple FX, we can literally trade everything we want. We can trade crypto, we can trade Forex, and we can trade even commodities and stocks and also gold and silver. So with this exchange, you will have everything in one place to trade. We have over 1,000 symbols you can trade. So if Bitcoin is just ranging, just doing nothing, we can trade Forex or even stocks or gold or silver. And if Bitcoin is moving, we can just trade Bitcoin. If you want to have an all-in-one platform to trade over on every single currency, every single crypto, and every single thing to trade, please make sure to sign up on Simple FX through the link in the description. And if you want to trade Maxi, pure Bitcoin and crypto, please make sure to sign up on Maxi through the link in the descriptions, and you will have the best trading environment possible with the setups we are providing you in those daily update videos. If you look at some on-chain data, what we actually can see is that the top heavy market percentage long-term holder supply in a loss is hitting new levels. And we have seen bottoms getting created within those levels, but it is also important to know to verify the bottoms we have been seeing before. Right here we saw a bottom, right here we saw a bottom, and major rallies started to rally after the bottom was formed. But something in mind you want to keep in mind, this isn't looking like a real bottom here yet. We need to see a long-term holder supply peak towards the upside, towards at least 40%, to see a Bitcoin bottom getting created here anytime soon here. So for now, the Bitcoin bottom is not in yet, but we are in orange territory here, and that means that we are close to bottom out here. It is probably looking something like here. It is pretty similar. Bitcoin dropped, we went sideways, we were at the same levels. After that, Bitcoin started to dump further towards the downside, and that is where the bottoms was formed. Also, this blue line is really important to keep in mind, because this is the realized price on the lower time frame here. On the long-term holders here, we are probably dumping below that. We are creating a bottom below the red line before the Bitcoin price will bottom out and start to rally towards the upside. And for now, that price is still at around the $50,000 mark, and we will probably drop further below that blue line to see the Bitcoin bottom getting formed here. Ending with that, please make sure to follow me over on X, and most importantly to subscribe over on my YouTube channel. And if you like those daily update videos, please make sure to smash up the like button, and I will see you tomorrow by a brand new Crypto Daily Update video.